Some tweaker action here. Tweaker action in the street. She's made for the streets. Is that a she? I'm gonna lock my fucking door, so it's made for the streets. What the fuck? Yeah. Freaking me out, man. Oh damn. $23 for a carrot cake. Look at that red velvet. It's only half a red velvet. $30. Hormel thick. $5.15. We'll do that. Dang, I should have got them a couple days ago. They were like $9.99. $3.29. More $50 turkeys. Last year's corned beef is $7.99. I've been watching these suckers. This is last year's stock. Pork chops. $5.99. Never see the $3.29. Yeah, grab one of those. $4.99. $3.99 on the burger. It's not too bad. That's a hell of a deal.